So first of all, let me give you a brief idea of what images are. So an image consists of matrix of pixels. A pixel is basically a color, and a color is defined by mainly three attributes. I repeat, an image is basically a matrix. It is a matrix of pixels, and a pixel is basically a color. A color is defined by mainly three attributes, and the attributes are amount of red present in the color, amount of blue present in the color, and amount of green present in the color. Yes, the RGB values, they define a color. So whatever color you choose, they would be having some amount of red, green and blue in them, and that's what makes a new color. I repeat, every color is defined by three attributes: amount of red, amount of green and amount of blue present in that particular color. There are only three primary colors, and those are red, blue and green, and if you mix them in some particular quantities, and that makes a new color. So this is what RGB values are all about, and every color is associated with some RGB values. So as you see, there are some examples here. RGB value of white is basically 255, 255, 255. That means it has 255 amount of red, 255 amount of green and 255 amount of blue in it. And RGB value of black is 0, 0, 0. So it has 0 amount of red, 0 amount of green and 0 amount of blue in it. So now let us try to implement a program based on this, so that you can get a clear-cut idea of how to represent an image and how to assign unique RGB values to an image. So let us do that. So first of all, I'll just show you how can you represent an image here. So we'll have NumPy library here first. I'll do import NumPy as NP. After that, I should also import PIL. Yes, I should also import PIL. I hope that you are already aware of PIL and you have seen the previous lectures on image processing. So I'll just write from PIL import image. After that, what should we do? I'll create an image of a particular RGB value. I repeat, I'll create an image of a particular RGB value. To define the dimensions of the image, I'll take width and height of the image. So I'll just write width is equal to for example 5 and height is equal to 4. So next, what do you have to do? As I said, image is basically a matrix, so we will take an array here. So I'll just write array is equal to np dot zeros. In bracket, what should I write? I should write the particular dimensions. I'll write height comma width comma 3, and after that I'll write one more argument here, and that is d type is equal to np dot uint 8. So let me explain you what does this function do. So np.zeros would make an array of the given size of the given dimensions. So we have, as the first dimension is height here, and that is 4, and second dimension is width here, and that is 5, and 3, and each pixel, as you know, contains 3 byte values for RGB. So we will write 3 here. So the first dimension is height, the second dimension is width, and 3 represent here the byte values for RGB. As we know, we have each byte dedicated to each of the color, so we will have 3 byte values for RGB. Okay, so 1 byte for red, 1 byte for green, and 1 byte for blue. So that's why we wrote 3 here. And then there is another parameter here which is called D type. What is D type? D type basically represents the data type assigned here. The data type assigned here is uint, that is unsigned int. The data D type represents the data type, and what is the data type here? That is uint, which is called unsigned int. So now we are done with the dimensions of the image, and we have also made an array of the image. So what now we have to do here is we have to make an image out of this array. So I'll just write a variable here. For example, img is equal to image dot form array, which should be, and the parameter that should be passed here would be array. After that, I should save this image dot save, and I should give a name to the image. For example, it will be test.png. Okay, so we are done with that. So now let me try to build this image and see what happens here. So now as you know, I'll just run this file. Let us try to find out what kind of image has been formed here. So I'll just write image1.py, save it. So there is some problem here. Let me check that. We have imported image here, and the capital I image is not being recognized here. That is, module pal.image has no attribute form array. Sorry, it shouldn't be form array, it should be from array. Please note the mistake here, it should be from array, not form array. So I'll just run this again. So let me now test that image. So it is test.png. As you can see, there is only a black sort of square here. So what can you infer from this image? Please note the fact that you only initialize the array with zeros. Yes, you only initialize the array with zeros, and the color corresponding to RGB values as zeros is black. As I have already explained, the RGB value of black is 000, and you are only giving 000 here. So if I will make an image out of this array with only zeros, that will only be consisting of black color. So as you can see here, according to the width and the height, we have an image here, and it only comprises of black color. So as you see, corresponding to given RGB value, we constructed an image. Let me give you one more example of that. I'll take one more array. For example, I took array 1, and now I'll take some other RGB values. So I'll just write np.zeros, and I have here, and I'll also change the width of this image, width and height of this image. I'll just write 100, 200, 3, and the data type would be same. I'll write D type is equal to np.uint, that is unsigned int 8. So that is done. So now I'll assign some unique RGB values to this array. So I'll just write array 1 : comma colon 100. I hope you are aware of this fact of list slicing in Python. We have already explained you in the previous videos. So I'll assign some unique RGB values as I said. So I'll assign 255, 128, 0. This is basically orange color. I'll write here, this is basically orange color. And this is for the left side, and for the right hand side I'll write array 1. I'll write colon comma 100 colon, as we are talking about the right side, so it should be 100 colon. So I'll write here 0, 0, comma 255, and this is basically blue color. So I'll write blue color here. And again, what we will do here, we will make an image out of this array. So I'll write img is equal to image dot from array, not from array, from array. Now this time the array would be array 1, and you should save this image dot save and give another name to this image. So I'll just write test1.png. So I think now our code is complete, and now let us try to run this. So now let me check test1.png. So as you can see, it has orange color to the left hand side and blue color to the right hand side. So this is truly amazing. We can construct images out of the RGB values. So I'll just repeat what we did here. First of all, you need to import the NumPy library as well as the image library from PIL package. Yes, you have to import NumPy and image. After doing that, you need to construct an array. As I said, image is basically a matrix. So you need to construct a matrix, you need to construct an array here. From that array, you can construct an image here. So first of all, I just took an array of zeros and I supplied dimensions here. We supplied width and height here, and 3. What does 3 denote here? As we know, each byte here would represent RGB value, so there will be 3 bytes here. So first byte will represent R, second byte will G, that is green, and the third byte will represent the blue factor here. And D type, what is D type here? D type is the data type, which is unsigned int here. After that, we have constructed the array. Now we need to construct an image out of this array. So there is a direct function here in Python, and that is from array. So you'll just write image.fromArray, and you need to supply the array as a parameter here. So I supplied the array parameter here. After that, you need to save that image. And as you know, only zeros as RGB values correspond to black color. So we only had a black square here, a small black square here, because we gave the dimensions as very less dimensions. The width and height are very small, that's why we had a small square here. So after that, what we did was we took another array, array 1. In array 1, we supplied some dimensions, some new dimensions, 100, 200 and 3, which I have already explained. And then we supplied the data type. Data type is as usual unsigned int. After that, what we did here was, after that we changed the values of this array. For changing the values, we used list slicing. In the left part of the array, we had orange color, and on the right part of the array, we had blue color. After that, again, we need to construct an image out of this array. So we used the function from array. So we used from array, image.from array, and we supplied array 1 here. After that, we saved the image, and here in this particular image we had orange at the left hand side and blue at the right hand side. I hope this programming screencast is clear to you, and if you have any doubts, we are there to help you. Please post on discussion forum. Thank you.